Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through the process of setting up and developing a Windows Forms application in Visual Studio using C++ or CLI with version 143 support. Whether you are beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this step-by-step tutorial will help you get started. To step by step in Visual Studio. To begin, double-click the Visual Studio icon on your desktop or search for it in the Start menu. Ensure you will install the C++ EI development tools with the version 143 toolset during installation. This setup is essential for Windows Home application in C++. Now, let's create a new project. Then, in the search bar, in the search bar, type CLR empty project, then CLR empty project dot net framework from the result. This type of project ideal for creating managed application like Windows Form plus C++. Click Next button. Then choose a save location and click Create. Once the project is created, you will see default project structure in the Solution Explorer. Then we have project last properties. Then go to linker settings. Then systems, then subsystems, then Windows subsystem, Windows apply, then advanced entry point type main, then OK. Now let's add a Windows form from the project. Then add new item, then search Visual C++ UI, then Windows form, then add. You will now have the form attached to your project ready for the design and coding. Then the toolbox is where you will find all the UI controls you can add to form. Go to the view and toolbox here. Then open it. I will add a label to display the result. Then the label one is right click properties. The label one name is USP. Then the font type is we will change Times New Roman. Then bold. Then 8. And okay, and here change the design in USD. Then we have a color. I will put blue color. Then label 2 previous USD default settings label 2. Then we type LAR. Font. Change the font size. Times New Roman. Bold. Then 18. Then OK. The color is red. Oh, I will push custom color. Then green. Then we will add a text box. Here, text box. I will draw the text box here. Then again, text box here. Then I will add button for conversion. Then add button. Then name, convert. Then color. Then font size times New Roman. Then bold. Then 36 size. Then OK. Then this is the final basic structure of the in my program. So this is the basic design we will explain in the CLR program. In next type, we will go up. I will add some modification in my program. Then I will add some logo in my university. Then I will add my university logo. Then toolbox, picture box. Then draw the picture box. Then image and select our university logo and insert. Then size, then auto size, or stretch image. Then you will see the image is perfectly matched. Then I will add background image in currency. Then, so here is a beautiful program design in my program. We will continue the next part of how to manage in this UST to convert LKR, decode and code formatting. We are moved to the basic important part of C++ in CLR concept. Here, the main basic settings in C++ in CLR using namespace system Windows forms, void main, array, string, args, application visual style, application comfortable text render default false. Then here, this is the important point. This project 123 is I type in currently using project 123. Here is the important things in the basic settings in CPP. Then application run, then close. Here, this is the main basic settings in CPP. And after moved another part. After we consider how to this program are working. So every time the user click the convert button, the block of code is executed in handling the input performance of conversion. Here the basic structure function of block. The function automatically generated when you are double click the click button on the designer view. Then it is triggered whenever the user clicks the button. First, uh, this string, this text box one text. This text box one get the value entered by a user in the input the text box. String A. String A store the value of the managed string in C++. Example, if the user enter 10, then we hold the string 10. Convert to the string to an integer. Int 32 parse convert string to into integer. This step crucial because the mathematical operation can be only performed on the numeric type like or tuple. Example, if the 10b will now hold in the integer, then b equal b into 239 multiple by integer by 239. Convert the integer back to string. Then string C, B to string. This text box 2 assign the string C to the text box 2. The user will be see the result 200, 2319 in this case. This displays in the text 2. Overflow the overflow the workflow. User enter the USD amount this text box in the program return convert to the integer. It calculate the equivalent LKR to multiply with 239. The result displayed in the text box too. We are run the program. User enters I will let 45. Then convert. Then here we'll see 10,755. Then after 15. Then here 11,950. Here this is the program USD to LKR conversion. If you found this tutorial